Hello friends! Today I want to share a super simple and very delicious pasta sauce. It uses just 5 ingredients and a blender. No cooking, no chopping involved. It takes just 5 minutes. You will have a flavorful sauce ready to go. Let's get started. Here's what you will need. 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a generous handful of fresh basil, roasted cashews, a few cloves of garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. That's it. Start by adding everything to your blender. The tomatoes, roughly 1.5 cups, half a cup of basil, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. It's optional to add red pepper. I used a Japanese pepper mix, which you can find it in most Asian markets. It adds a little nice extra flavor besides heat, but you can use any crushed red pepper you have on your hand. Next, toss in the roasted cashews. If you over-toasted cashew like mine, don't worry, it will turn out just as great. Now, blend everything together until it breaks down. If you like a little texture and a fresher taste, blend it until it's chunky. But if you prefer a creamier sauce, you can blend it until it's super smooth. Finally, pour in a splash of olive oil, give it one last blend, and taste to adjust the seasoning if needed. Cook your favorite pasta, then spoon the sauce on and mix it all together. And that's it, a delicious quick meal ready in minutes. This recipe is super flexible too. You can swap out the nuts, use almonds, walnuts, or whatever you have on hand. Fresh tomatoes instead of canned? Why not? I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. Let me know if you tried it out or if you make any changes. See you guys next time!